Hi kids!
Wow!
So many playthings. This is a fish. Sky blue color, yellow color. Another fish. White color, violet color. Fruits, strawberry. Red color and green color. This is kiwi. Green and light brown. This is shell. Violet color. A dolphin. White and light blue. Let's join them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
6.
Wow!
Brush. Now we will write alphabets. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color. Hi kids!
Wow!
Let's open it. Wow, intelligence book. A pen also. Let's open it. Alphabets. Now we will learn alphabets. A for ant. B for bear. C for cat. E for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. Now we listen music. Now go to the next. N for narwhal. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn.
V
V for vulture.
W.
W for whale.
X.
X for X-ray fish.
Y.
Y for yak.
Z.
Z for zebra.
No.
Numbers. So colorful.
0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Plus. Minus. Multiplication. Division.
So we have learned numbers also. So many fruits.
Strawberry. Orange. Cantaloupe. Pomelo. Grape. Banana. Cherry. Coconut. Lemon. Watermelon. Peach. Mango. Pineapple. Pear. Apple.
What is your favorite fruit, kids? Wow, animals.
Panda. Giraffe. Elephant. Tiger. Kangaroo. Lion. Crocodile. Camel. Monkey. Dolphin. Hawk. Pig. Cattle. Penguin. Sheep.
Do you like it, kids? If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Whoa! Whoa!
So many erasers. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a popsicle. White color, Pink color. Wow, ice cream. White color, yellow color. A burger. Do you like them, kids? Wow, a cola drink. Now join them again.
Hiya.
Now keep them aside. Popsicle, burger, ice cream, cola drink. It's wow, a baby monkey. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Light green color, green color, white color. He is listening songs. Do you like it, kids? Now join them again.
Wow! Wow!
Now keep it aside.
No.
Oh wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is purple. Second color is pink. Third color is blue. Our fourth color is orange. Fifth color is sky blue. Sixth color is green. Our seventh color is yellow. Eighth color is light green. And our last color, ninth color is red. My favorite color. Which is your favorite color, kids? Let's write alphabets. Green. J. J for joker. J for also jackfruit. J. Red. K. K for koala. K for also kiwi. K. Purple. L. L for lizard. L for also lamb. L. Our next color is yellow. M. M for mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit, kids? Sky blue. N. N for nuts. N for also nightingale. N. Next color is pink. O. O for octopus. O for also orangutan. O. Blue color. P. P for puma. P for also pencil. P. Orange color. Q. Q for quarter. Q for also question mark. Q. Our last color is light green. R. R for rat. R for also robin. R. Now say with me, kids. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.